Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Facebook Marketplace option not showing on iPhone. If you've noticed that the Marketplace feature is not showing up or missing from Facebook app, we'll walk you through the steps to resolve this issue. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. For this, what I want you to do is open your Facebook and tap on the horizontal line icon present on the bottom of your screen, and there write down the memories. You will see a marketplace. Tap on it and you can now access your marketplace here. If this does not work, what I want you to do is on the menu page, tap on the settings which is present on the top right of your screen. Then scroll down and search for navigation bar. Go for customize the bar. There you will see a marketplace. Tap on the auto and then select pin. And that's it. There you have it. By following these steps, you will now be able to resolve the missing marketplace issue in your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents.